Do you want to change the Uber app theme? Switch from light mode to dark mode or vice versa. In this short video, I'll show you how to do it. First, open the Uber app. Then, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, select Settings. On the Settings page, you'll see your account details and many other options. Look for and tap on Appearance. Now, you've reached the final step to changing your Uber app theme. You can choose between light theme, dark theme, or use device settings, which automatically matches your phone's system theme. Select your preferred option and tap Save. Once saved, the app will immediately switch to the chosen theme. Dark mode is especially useful at night, as it helps save battery and reduces strain on your eyes from bright screens. On the other hand, light mode is great for daytime use, providing better visibility in bright environments and keeping the interface crisp and clear. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.